So welcome back to beginning beekeeping in Texas. So I set up this trap hive. I realize it might be a little early, but I'd never used these before, these Pro Nucs. So I thought it looked kind of interesting. I want to check it out and show you all how I got my hive set up. So, as it says here, cut the feeding point as required. So I don't know if you just cut these off or you just cut the whole thing off. I'm not sure. Drill 3 to 4 holes in the bottle cap. So there you go. And then there's the vented or not vented. So if you do vented, air can escape through the sides. And if you flip it around to not vented, and it shows it right here, no vent, it does not, air does not escape. So we're probably going to leave it on vented, but I wanted to show you everything else first. So what's important is I actually have a little bit of Swarm Commander gel. I just placed 1 or 2 drops here, and then I kind of smeared one of the drops here. So you can see a little bit wet. So you don't want to put too much. You just, if you have the spray, you want 1 spray, and that's it. So I have empty frames, basically empty frames, empty frame. And this one is old comb with nothing in it. That's very important. If you have comb with food or any kind of food, basically, it will attract robbers, but not, I mean, you know, the scouts might come too, but you're going to see a lot of activity, and then you're going to go, oh, they're coming, you know, they're going to take over the hive. No, it's just robbers. So they're going to rob out all the, you know, the food and the pollen and the bee bread, and then they're gonna leave, and you're gonna wonder why nobody moved in. So, and then this is actually replicated on the back, and if you want to shut this, you just slide this down. Well, I probably need more than 2 hands. You slide this down and it lays flat like so. So that'll be a vent, and then this is the entrance. So we're going to do vented, which allows airflow from the top. I'm going to put this on because it's windy here in North Texas. And that's it. So that'll be my trap, my bait hive. So let's see what happens. I'm interested in seeing what goes on here. I haven't used one of these. I have not had any luck with bait hives in the past, but I haven't really tried. But this year, I've had about 8 hives lost due to cold, or just, you know, ran out of food. I couldn't get to them in time, etc. So it has not been a great year for me. But overall, hopefully we can get this back on track and go from there. And I look forward to videoing it for you. Up or down, I'm going to video it. Any mistakes I make, I will video it for you. And any successes, for sure. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe really helps me out. And let's get this year rolling.